What? Oh yeah, Woodwards, man.
Minty too. Okay, should I record?
Huh? Yeah. Hang on. You record and I'm gonna clean.
That lady doesn't like my recording skills, eh? She's like, don't let Dean.
Right? You know what? Yeah. And who bought her a case of beer off the internet?
There we go.
What happened?
The screen went black for some reason.
Was it not recording?
Yeah, no, it was, I think. I don't know, man. Who knows?
Well, is it or not? Is the number count now?
There's Hank.
It is now. It wasn't before.
What? Oh, man.
We're just cleaning tires. Who cares?
No, I ruined everything.
Cut back to cleaning tires.
And...
Okay. And what?
No.
Oh, we were talking about how shitty your...
Come on. Zip it. And I'm actually, you know what? I'm kind of glad you didn't paint them, you know?
Well, just time, right? It'd be nice, but especially when, what is it doing? It's holding the ass end of that worthless car off the ground.
Oh, yeah, but she's still a 57 Plymouth. I think everyone loves the 57 Plymouth, just like I do. Did you already scrub this guy, hey?
Huh? Yeah, that one I did last time.
Okay, right.
That's why we had to do the other one. So they were... nice.
What was I... Right. I'm good, okay. Woo!
Okay. Ta-da.
Alright, man. So what do you figure?
We gotta get the car out.
Yeah, okay, let's try and push it.
Swap the tires. Oh.
Like how far? Oh, it's flat, kinda.
Hey.
It's flat.
What a nice boy.
Okay, we'll pause.
Okay, look, when the numbers are going up, I've told you this.
No, when the screen keeps going black, I'll be
Well,
now. Yeah, it did.
Yeah, but is there anything in...
Oh yeah, we got recordings on there.
Are you touching buttons?
No, not really.
No, okay.
Just one.
Doesn't matter.
Oh, look at this. This already looks better.
Turn around and face the right way. It's just farting on me. Hank's like, this is bullshit. This is a Hank production. Frankers is on strike.
Yeah,
So
right.
Hank the Scab.
The scab.
Hank the Scab is here to fill in for Frankers. And he's got a pretty... He doesn't have a team kind of attitude.
No, he doesn't.
His fucking attitude is poor. There. Okay, let's see if we can whistle these up.
Three.
Yeah, it's on. Yeah. It holds it for
One
now.
too many, but whatever. I think it was Midwest Plymouth or something, and they serviced all the Plymouth to Winnipeg
Oh wow.
police cars. The
Cool.
city police cars.
Oh
They're
wow.
like, oh yeah, don't worry, we're just gonna build it to the fucking Winnipeg police. They gave them the police.
Actually, that looks fine. Oh, that's so much better. That is way better.
It's a bit small, but well, it's hard to say.
Oh wow, man. So cool.
I mean, don't get me wrong. I love it so much that I could just...
But probably not unlike what you would have seen in 1960.
He doesn't want to hear. He doesn't want to hear of you selling it.
Hank is the punch. Oh, we gotta do the other side. It's getting dark. That looks. I'm very happy with that.
Yeah.
Huh? Oh yeah, Dean has to do the other side. Well, okay.
Would you say?
And okay, let's go. Let's do the driver's side. Get at it, Dean. Go.
Would you say that's a 1960 Buick Invicta?
I would say it was. We'll have to do better this time.
Or La Sabre.
What are you putting on?
This is a 15. This is completely wrong. This is another classic. Oh, you only got two.
Okay.
You only got two. All right, get going then. 2 bolts. Oh, he passed the left-hand thread challenge, folks.
What are you
Whoa,
putting on
that's
here?
hairy, eh?
How often do you see like
Chick.
Oh
Spider
jeez.
webs and
That's pretty nasty.
That's
You wanna
cool.
clean the
It's
spider web?
clean.
caterpillar cocoon.
That's clean. Look at that. Nice.
That's nasty. That's nasty, eh?
Just grab it with your hands.
Jeez, no, there could be spiders in there, man. I hate spiders. Jesus. Any fire?
So what are we putting on?
Dean,
Should I just throw it on and just forget about it?
what is it?
We should know. We should clean that
Scott puts the veto on cleaning up the cobwebs.
up. No, not
Are
yet.
you good? You gonna crawl under there and clean the whole frame then?
Yeah.
So is this the same thing you're putting on?
Yeah, go. Just put it on.
All right. I like to take it all apart. It's gonna be awesome to do, though, hey?
Come
on.
Bullshit. It's a bumper.
I think Woodward 110. He's got him on the Woodward's food floor.
Yeah.
That's fine. Okay.
Is it on?
Yeah.
These are Winter Express.
Taking the edge off.
That looks good.
This side
That
looks pretty
great.
presentable.
You know what, man?
Okay, we need
This
a
car-
hubcap.
Yes, we need a
Okay.
hubcap.
We should play Name the Inappropriate Hubcap.
All right, I'll take Hank with us then. We'll bark if we don't.
Oh yeah. We're held hostage.
Have a smoke.
You realize that you're held hostage by Hank.
I know.
So who's the boss here?
Look, he's looking for the sustenance.
Hank, take the
All you need is
hubcap.
like 6 more and you got...
They're all in here. Well, not all, but
Ooh, you weed
oh,
whacked.
this is a pretty random selection. Oh, we should pick some hilarious ones.
Oh, look at this.
Okay.
A good God-fearing hubcap. Oh, the Montego.
Right.
No, Comet. Those look like Comet.
Yeah.
Yeah, 19.
Well, these will be fun for Name That Hubcap game.
Sure, sure.
Oh, God. Watch, it's trippy.
Yep.
I don't mean in like a eating mushrooms way.
Yeah. Or passing out.
Been there, eh?
They've done that. Hey, nice.
Yeah, let's give that a wipey. That looks pretty sharp.
Get the best feeling.
That cleaned right up.
That
Look at that. That is a nice hubcap.
It is a nice hubcap.
is actually pretty tiny. Yeah. That's a very it's got
Look at that.
Potensky, as they say.
Sure.
That's not bad. I could go with that. Nope.
That one, no, God.
No.
Ouch, hey?
Yeah, no.
Pretty bad.
Okay.
Or a tree.
No, that doesn't work on this car. A top. It's really good. Fit really nice on this. Oh yeah.
Let's see, I'm not being biased.
Oh,
It's kind
where's
of
the rag?
U of A professor stylish.
Yeah, if U of A
Professor
professors
of history.
shoplifted hubcaps at the mall to put on their plaza.
Actually cleaned up now.
Cleaned up, right? Cleans up.
Look at
It's
that.
like everything.
That's
That.
the one?
Well, I would say that it is.
It's a nice looking car.
That's my personal pick for Inappropriate Hubcap. I think it might be a bit easy. It looks okay, you know. Like these just look like. Well, this is cool. That's cool.
It is cool, but maybe not cool on this
Flashy.
car.
It's flash.
What kind of inappropriate cap did you use?
Well, what do you think? Well, I think.
Yes, it is. Yeah. Is it dented?
It is now. I'm just kidding. It's dented.
I think it's cool.
It was dented before. It's nice though.
That's
It's
wicked.
not bad.
So I think it was that or this one, D. You know, it doesn't really work on the car.
No. It's a nice cap,
that?
but
Yeah. That's believable.
Okay. Oh, that's great.
Sure, until, well, I don't have the fourth
Dog
Plymouth
dish?
dish.
I don't either, man.
If you find one, especially if it has a spinner on it. Right?
I know.
Yeah!
That looks so much better.
The whole car looks better, I guess. Okay, back to the hubcap dungeon with these guys.
Sure.
You know what, though? It really looks great now.
In this light.
Okay, yeah, it's almost dark out. The car is starting to look alright.
Which is no light.
You can, your mind fills in the rockers. You know?
You know
All
what?
you need is the faintest whiff of rockers and your imagination does the rest.
So cool.
So you telling me I can't use a 64-door sedan windshield with a 62-door top?
That's what the Mopar guy said. I don't know much about 61 cars, but...
Oh, I guess I'll just go ask my mom.
Well, the what?
Your car is kind of a rare car.
Yeah, it's a delete, delete,
Special
delete. It's a
car,
delete, delete,
yeah.
delete car.
It's a
The
really
dual
special
four-bro.
car.
Yeah, it is.
Dude, I mean, it'd be one of a kind. It'd be one of a kind, and you f***ing waste your time with these taxi cab shit.
Yeah, you're right. I know. I hate it. I fucking hate myself every day for this.
Well, there we've had a breakthrough.
Actually, it's awesome. It's got one of those box liners in it that...
Yeah, I'm sure that's garbage.
You know, but you could actually
It's
fill
a
it up.
$500 truck.
Fill it up like a
Who
hot
cares?
tub. You
No, you
want to?
can't.
No, you can't. That's weird. But
You could try, but it would be a bad idea.
come into my hot tub Dodge
Oh
truck.
God,
Don't even-
the Dean webcast.
I
Hot
should
tub
have, like,
party
we
with
should get,
Dean
like,
and
jet,
Hank.
Yeah, we'll have like air jets or something. We'll have like little jets coming out of it.
Just watch it degenerate to a farting contest until somebody shits themselves. And it's like, we'll be right back.
Is that great?
I've totally watched the Dean 24-hour Dean-a-thon.
Looks like it just drove through.
Hey, if this thing had floors, I'd be driving it.
Hank's got Okay, enough.
It's a regular contributor.
Same old shit.